video because on my phone is broken and so let's do it.
Just another day for you give away love hand in hand with me. Just another day, just another day, just another day, just another day. 1, 2, 3. What's the nicest thing you see? It's me. The one you know, always running to and fro, a frightful place to be. But don't be scared, I'm not going anywhere. So just don't touch the tail, let's stay here with
Let me start everyone that just stop. Guys, let me show you the next one. It won't be that long. It probably is. This one. I'm just sad that my phone just fall. And it's still cracked. Can't even take to a single place. Okay guys, let me type this name and it's mine. Where's the thing to type in it? Finally. Oh my gosh. This thing is trolling me. Oh my god, why is my game so laggy? Because it's just so fast. Why can't I link you? I just hate the point that I'm lagging. Guys, let me stop the video right now so y'all don't have to wait. Oh, I did stop it? Oh, sorry guys, let me unstop it. Okay guys, I finally did it, so let's do it. I just hate why I'm so laggy. So, this is all I have for the video. Next time I will be recording. So, bye bye. I'll see y'all in the next video where I'm going to make next time. We will stop it.